वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयिवन्
ऐवन्
ऋलक्
ऋक्
एओङ्
एओम्
ऐऔच
ऐऔच्
अयवरट्
हयवरट्
लङ्
लन्
यमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
जभैं
झबै
घटदश
घटदश
जबगडदश
जबगडदश
खप छठथ छटतौ
खप छठथ छटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर
शशसर
हल
हल
अकुक विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
प्रशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
लिटुलसानां दन्ताः
भूपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमघननां नासिका च
ञमङणनां नासिका च
दयितोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
कारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
ओदौतोः कंठ ओष्टम. Kanta plus oshtam. What sandhi?
Vriddhi.
A plus O will become
Au.
O. Vriddhi. Okay. Kanta oshta is a samasa. It's a compound. Two words are there. Kanta and oshtam. Two words made into a single word. Kanta oshtam is a single word. In a word, it's a compound, it's a samasa, which has two words, kanta and oshtam. Inside the compound, two words are there, but compound itself is a single word. So in a compound, when O precedes, then A plus O will be replaced by the pararupa O. So kanta plus oshtam will be kantoshtam. Vriddhi will not happen. It is optional. Vriddhi can happen or can be kantoshtam. Okay. This is an additional information. May not be required now, but if you happen to see kantoshtam somewhere, why it is kantoshtam? Is it a mistake? No, it is not a mistake. Kanta plus oshtam is equal to kantoshtam. In a compound, pararupa will be the adesha, optionally. The compound, pararupa will be the adesha, particularly for O. And O follows. Purvapadam ends with A. The kanta ends with A. Parapadam begins with O. So, when the parapadam, that is uttarapadam, begins with O, then purva and parayoga sthani, in the place of the preceding as well as the succeeding letters, pararupa will be the adesha in the context of samasa, compound. So kanta plus oshtam is equal to kantoshtam. Danta plus oshtam is equal to dantoshtam. Okay. This is a rule by a Vartika. Okay. Continue. Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Rajamani sada vijayate Ramam Ramesham bhaje.
Ramena Bhigata Nishachara Chamohu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramena bihata nishachara chamu Ramaya tasmai namaha.
Nasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Nasti parayanam parataram
Ramasya dasosmyaham.
Ame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me Bhora Mamamuddhara.
Rame chittalaya sada bhavatu me Rama mamuddhara.
Did you try the homework?
Yes, Charanji.
Yes.
We will do some. I've already done. You can check the homework. I may have skipped the gesture sandhi, but or some other sandhi, whatever may be. You have to follow the sequence. Can you see the screen?
Yes, Charanji.
Kakud plus staha. Kakud plus staha. What will happen? Plus staha. Kakud is a padam and padanta jal. Padanta jal will be replaced by
Char.
Char.
Char, because it's followed by khar.
No. First you have to apply Jashtra Sandhi.
Jashtra.
Jashtra Sandhi rule says Padanta Jal will be replaced by
Jash.
First you have to apply Jashtra Sandhi. That doesn't depend on what follows. Right? Finished.
Yes, Chanji.
Padanta Jal is replaced by Jash. Padanta Jal happens to be Dakara. And the Jashtra Sandhi also, and the Jash letter also, Dakara only. So therefore, Jashtra Sandhi is applied. So once any change happened, but this rule is applied. So Kukut plus Taha. After this, what is the next rule?
Chatva
Chartva Sandhi. Now Jal letter
followed by Khar
Jal followed
letter.
by Khar. Jal will be replaced by its corresponding Char letter.
Char.
So Kakut, sorry, not Kakut, it is Kukut. I think it must be Kakut only. Anyway, Kukut Staha. You get the form? Kukut Staha. Second one, Tasmad plus Nagarikaha. Tasmad is a padam. Nagarikaha is another padam. Tasmad, Padanta Jal. So therefore, you have to apply
Jashtra.
Jashtra Sandhi. Jal letter replaced by Jash letter. Whose form is same here. Dakara is replaced by Dakara. But Jashtra Sandhi is applied. And now we have to watch for the letter, following letter. Nakara follows. Nakara is
Anunasika.
Anunasika. Therefore, which rule?
Anunasika Sandhi.
Anunasika Sandhi.
Anunasika Sandhi. What does it say?
Yar letter is followed by Anunasika.
Followed by Anunasika.
So therefore, what will happen? Yar letter followed by Anunasika. Yar letter will be replaced by its corresponding
Anunasika letter optionally.
Anunasika letter. Yes. So therefore, you will have two forms. Okay. So Anunasika letter of Dakara is Dakara belongs to Tavarga and its Anunasika is Nakara. Therefore, Tasman Nagarikaha or Tasmad Nagarikaha. It's optional, right? You have two forms. Here followed by Anunasika and here is replaced by Anunasika. Then the next one, number 3. Nam plus Dati. Nam plus Dati. What happens here? Here, no, just one thing. Nam is there, Anuswara is there. So, what will happen to Anuswara? So, you have to watch for the following letter. The following letter is?
Yai letter.
Yai letter.
You have to identify it as Yai letter.
Yeah.
So, Yai letter. So, Anuswara will be replaced by the
Savarna of the following.
Yai letter. So, what Sandhi is that?
Parasavarna Sandhi.
Parasavarna Sandhi.
Savarna Sandhi.
Where does it come, this Sandhi, in the list?
8458.
At the end it comes. Okay. So no other previous rules applicable here. So directly you can come to that rule. Because it is not a Jal and it is not a Shtutva it will happen. Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna letter of the following A letter, which happens to be Nakara. So Nandati. Nam plus Dati, Nandati. Fourth one. Fourth one, Chalat plus Langalam. Chalat plus Langalam. Kameshwarji, there is some noise in your end. Chalat plus Langalam. So what happens here?
Tavarga followed
by, but before that, Jashtra Sandhi will be applied.
Yeah.
Before that, Jashtra Sandhi will be applied. Okay. So, Takara is Padanta Jal. Padanta Jal is replaced by Jash letter, which is Takara. So, Chalat plus Langalam. Now Dakara followed by Lakara.
Lakara. So Latva
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Yeah. Totally simple rule. It's a very
Yeah.
simple rule. Latva Sandhi. Totally. Dakara will be replaced by the
Lakara.
Lakara. So you get Chalal Langalam. So many Lakaras are there.
Yeah.
Chalat plus Langalam, Chalal Langalam. Do you all try this? Some
Yes,
60.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Sharanji.
Okay. I'll do some. After that, I can do it on your own. Samrat plus Manasi.
Jashva Sandhi happens.
Samrad. Then followed
Samrad.
Anunasika Sandhi.
Then Anunasika Sandhi.
Then Anunasika.
Manasika is Anunasika letter. Therefore, Anuswara follows. Sorry, Anunasika follows. Therefore, your letter will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika, optionally. Therefore, Samran Manasi or Samrat Manasi. Here, you have to do it. Otherwise, what will happen? Suppose we don't apply. Takara is a Takara will be replaced by Takara. If you skip this step, I am saying, if you skip Samrad, if you skip Jashva Sandhi, what will happen? Samrad plus Manasi, Takara will be replaced by Nakara, and you will get this one, Samran Manasi. But optional form will be Samrat Manasi. That is wrong, right? Optional form is Samrat Manasi. So if you don't apply Jashva, you will get the wrong form. That is why it is important. Apply the rules in order. Number 6. Vanig plus Hasati. Vanig plus Asati.
First Jashva.
Vanig.
Vanik. First Jashva Sandhi happens and then
Fourth letter.
then Purva
Purva
Savarna.
So this is Purva Savarna.
Savarna.
So when Ha follows, then you look for the preceding letter. If it is what letter? Which letter it should be? The preceding letter?
Jai.
J
Jai.
letter.
Jai.
If preceding letter is a J letter, then this Hakara will be replaced by the corresponding soft Mahaprana, soft aspirate, Mridu Mahaprana letter of the following, the Varga, following Varga. Gakara belongs to Kavarga, so it's corresponding that letter, which happens to be Gakara replaces optionally. It's also optional. Therefore, you get Vanig Gasati or Vanig. So, Jashva must be applied. If you don't apply Jashva, you will get Vanig Hasati. That is not the right form. Okay. That is not with Sandhi, without Sandhi, Vanig Hasati. If you do it. Then the next one. Sam plus Lapaha. Sam plus Lapaha. Anuswara followed by the Lakara.
Yai letter. So Parasavarna.
So Anuswara will be replaced by the Parasavarna. Anuswara will be replaced by Parasavarna. Sanlapaha. If this word came in infantry, right? Sanlapaha. Sanlapade. Sanlapaha. Here Lakara follows. Even though Lakara follows, the preceding letter is not Tavarga. So you cannot apply Torli and all here. Anuswara is replaced by the Anuswara component of the Lakara, Sanlapaha. Next one. Can you all follow this, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there, please ask. Yed plus Mandalam. Apply Jashva first. Yed plus Mandalam. Applying Jashva, you get Yed Mandalam, same thing. Then after that, the following is
Anunasika.
Anunasika. You saying something, Chandranji?
Some plus Ramaha, that I have not followed. Some plus Ramaha.
The noise is at your hand, so it's not clear.
Number
Are
seven.
you using headphone or using a speaker?
Now my phone some trouble there. Yesterday it was ready here. There is some trouble.
Your voice is not clear to me.
He said he didn't understand that seven. He said he didn't understand seven.
Okay.
Some
Now,
plus lambda.
some plus Lapaha. That some means because. Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Some plus Lapaha.
Okay.
That Anunasika you have to tell is some Lapaha.
Salnapa, it is written there. So what is your doubt?
How to change it that Anusara, it will take the form of M.
To take the
Magala.
form
Magala.
Makara.
Yeah.
Why should it take the form Makara? When does Makara come?
No, that Sallabaha, how it is changed.
Makara only has become Anuswara.
Anusara, la, you are taking Sallabaha, na, sir?
Yes.
Now that is coming which rules?
If anybody understand the question, you can.
No, that is comes in under which Sandhi. Which number it is coming?
Chandran, your voice is not clear. You have got problem with your mic.
Because it has rained here, because there is some trouble is here.
Yeah, you can correct your mic and then ask the question.
Okay.
Okay.
I will ask. I will wait. Okay.
You can write through WhatsApp and answer.
Okay.
See, I don't know what your question is, but I assume Anuswara is there followed by Lakara is there. Becomes Anuswara is replaced by the Anuswara component of Lakara, Sanlapa. That's all. Why Makara is not there? Makara.
Okay, sir. Now I understood. Now I understood, sir.
Understood.
Now I understood.
Yeah.
Now I understood.
Okay. Is my voice clear to all of you? Is it?
Yeah.
It takes
No, it is not very clear, Sharanji. There
My
is
voice?
some disturbance, yeah.
My voice or your voice?
Yeah, your voice.
Sometimes your voice, there is a disturbance.
But okay. But your voice is not clear to me. And make sure that there is no noise, background noise also. Even if you move paper, book, or something, I can hear it very clearly. Okay. Is it clear now, my voice?
yes.
Yes, sure.
Now here my video also not clear. I am not getting anything.
Number 9 now. Jagat plus Lakshana. Jagat plus Lakshana. Jagat Takara, Padanta Jal, which is replaced by letter which is Dakara. Jagat plus Lakshana. Now Dakara is replaced by the Lakara because the following Padam begins with Lakara. Jagal Lakshana. Latva Sindhi happens. So Jastva and then Latva. Jagal Lakshana. Number 10. Aj plus Halau. Aj plus Halau. Aj is the letter replaced by the just letter which is Aj followed by Hakara. So therefore Hakara is replaced by the Purva Savarna letter and which is Jakara and it is Jai letter. Therefore the Mahaprana corresponding to that is Jha. That will replace Hakara. So you get Ajhalau. Okay.
Optional.
Yeah. Optional. Optionally. Another form is you can write as
Ajhalau.
Ajhalau.
Ajjalo.
I'm writing only one form here. Option form is also is there. Okay. I've done some 20 or something. Now we can do. I'll read the names from the chat box and try. Ganeshi. Okay.
Jagat plus Layaha. 21, Sharanji?
Yes.
Jagat plus Layaha. So this is, Ta is a Padanta Jal, so it will be replaced by Jash. So we
So it
apply
become-
Jastva Sandhi and it
Yes.
become Jagad Layaha.
Okay.
Then there's a hush, La is a hush letter, so we don't apply Chartva there. Then Jagal Layaha. How does it become?
Jagat plus Layaha, just for
Layaha.
is applied. After that,
After that, become Jagal Layaha. I'm
Yes.
trying to figure out how it becomes Jagad Layaha.
how it becomes? No. What did you say? Ganeshi?
We have to apply Latva Vidhi.
Yeah. Yes, that was on the only.
Takara is followed by Lakara.
Yes.
Da is Takara. Therefore, Tavarga is followed by Lakara.
Mm-hmm.
And therefore, Da will be replaced by La. And therefore, it becomes Jagal Layaha.
Jagal Layaha. That's all. Next person, Ramaji.
Yeah. Pam plus Jaram. It is Apadanta Anuswara. So it is followed by a letter. So Parasavarna Sandhi happens. So the corresponding Parasavarna Anunasika letter replaces
Yes.
Anuswara. So Panjaram.
Panjara.
Yeah.
Anuswara is replaced by the fifth letter of the Chavarga letter. This Nikara Panjaram.
Yeah.
Next person, Sumati ji.
Yeah. Tik plus Madhye. Here you have Padan, when Jal letter is followed by Jash letter, the Jal will be replaced by the corresponding Jash.
No,
So Jashva
Dig
Sandhi
is-
has to,
Dig is Padanta Jal, therefore Jashta Vidhi.
Jashva
Do not bother
Vidhi.
about what follows. The
Okay.
rule is not applicable in Jashtvan Vidhi number 1. Jashta Vidhi
Yeah.
number 2 only you have to look for what follows. Jal letter followed by Jash and all.
Yeah. So Jashva Vidhi 1. Yeah, you get Dig plus Madhye. And now, since it is when Padanta Yar letter is followed by Anunasika, then the Yar letter will be replaced by its Anunasika optionally. You will get
Therefore,
Ding Madhye.
Ding Madhye.
Madhye.
Or you can leave it as it is. Dig
As
Madhye.
Dig Madhye.
I'm reading the option from here onwards. Okay. Next person, Kameshwari ji.
Vog plus Heenaha. Vog, Heenaha. First, Jashva Vidhi, it remains the same. Vog plus Heenaha. Then this is Purva Savarna Sandhi. So that is Jai followed by Hakara means.
No. Hakara preceded by Jai. That is how you have to say.
Okay. Okay. Hakara preceded by Jai letter. So Hakara will be replaced by the fourth letter, corresponding fourth letter of the Jai class. So Hakara will be replaced by Gha. So this will become Vagdinaha.
Vagdinaha.
Vagdinaha. Deen.
Not Deen.
Vagdinaha. Yeah. Vagdinaha. Or optionally, it remains the same. Vagdinaha.
Okay. Next one. Sri Krishna ji.
Yeah.
25.
Hum plus Grihi. As Anuswara followed by Yahi. So the Anuswara will, the Adesha for Anuswara will be Nya of the fifth letter of the Ka Varga. So it will be Angrihi. Sharanji, is a Padam, so the next option will apply.
Am is not a Padam. Is it a
Oh, it's
Padam?
not a, no, is it Upasarga?
No, is not upasarga.
Oh,
The 20 upasargas, you will not find is not upasarga.
okay.
Next one, after Krishnaji, Lataji. Shad plus.
Harmyani. Shed, we apply the Jashtva Vidhi. It remains the same, shed plus Harmyani. And then this is the Hakara preceded by J. Then Hakara will be replaced by the fourth letter of the class, which is Sheng. Shengharmyani.
Shadharmyani.
Shedharmyani. And optionally, Shedharmyani.
Optionally, this Shad will remain, then
Harmyani.
Next one. So, Ramkaveji.
Padat Lekani. First, we can apply the Jashtva Santi. Padad, the Dakara will come. Padat Lekani. And the Tavarga followed by Lakara. So, we can apply Latva Santi. Padal Lekani. Lekhani.
Next one, Sundarji.
Samram plus Baha. This when year letter is followed by Anunasika, then year letter will be replaced by its Anunasika. That
year letter. That is year.
No. 1 sec. Year letter is followed by Anunasika, isn't it? Ba is a year letter.
But it is not followed by Anunasika. It is preceded by Anunasika.
Oh, it's preceded by Anunasika.
Therefore, it is not that year letter. That rule will not apply.
Yeah, that is not applicable. Samram plus.
Anunasika. Anuswara.
Anuswara is preceding the.
Followed by.
Yeah.
Anuswara. Followed by what letter? That rule you have to see.
Yeah.
Anuswara is followed by the list. You can go to the end of the list.
Makara. This is
the list of rules.
This is not Makara.
Anuswara followed by A letter. Can you see the rule here?
Oh, which is the rule number?
Rule number 26.
26.
Anuswara when followed by
Savarna of the following A letter.
Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna of the following. It means Anuswara is followed by A letter. That is clear. Then the Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna of the following letter. So here in this example, Samram plus Bhaga is there. Anuswara is followed by what letter? Sundarji.
Sorry, I was out.
Anuswara is followed by the A letter. Bakara is an A
letter. So Bakara. Therefore, the Savarna of Ba, which is Makara. So Samram Baha.
Okay. So Anuswara is followed by A letter. Therefore, Anuswara being Nasika, the following A letter begin Bakara. So its corresponding Anunasika letter is Makara. So Makara will replace Anuswara. Clear? Samram Baha. Okay. Samrambaha. The next one. Shantaji.
Okay. Ab plus hasaha. Ab is already a just, ba is already a just letter.
But still
So you
applies.
apply just letter, and I apply when hakara is preceded by jai letter, hakara will be replaced by optionally by the fourth letter. So abhasaha, bhasaha, and then optionally so abhasaha, both.
Yes. Abhasaha or ab, then hasaha comes abhasaha. Next one. Ganesh. Mum plus diram.
Mum plus diram. So here Anuswara is followed by yai letter.
Yes, good.
That is di, and will be replaced by savarna of the following yai. So following yai is di. So it will be replaced by nakara.
Nakara.
So mannaram.
Mandiram.
Mandiram. Sorry, mandiram.
Yes. Next person, Ramaji.
Yeah. Prag plus hasitva. First, Jastva Vidhi happens. So Prag plus hasitva. Then after that, Hakara preceded by Jai letter. So the fourth letter of the class.
Kavarga.
Yeah. So Gavarga. So Prag Gasitva. Optionally. Otherwise Prag Hasitva.
Sumadiji.
Yeah. Kachan plus Lakshmanaha. When Tavarga is followed by Lakara, then we apply Latva Sandhi. Tavarga will be replaced by Lakara. Nakara will be replaced by Anunasika Latva. That is Lang. Gachalang Lakshmanaha.
Gachan Lakshmanaha.
Gachan Lakshmana. How do you pronounce Sharanji?
Gachan Lakshmanaha. Nasalized.
Nasalized, yeah. Gotcha.
Next one, Kameshwari.
Jam plus Javatah. So here we apply Parasavarna Sandhi because Anunasika is followed by Yai letter. So it will be replaced by the fifth letter of that class. So this becomes Jaj Javatah.
Janjavataha.
Janjavatah.
Next one.
Jagat plus Hita. First we apply Jashva Sandhi. So no change. The Rupa will be Jagat and Hita. And then Jaya Honya Tarasyam. We'll have two forms. Jagat Dita or Jagat Hita.
Kara will be replaced by Dakara. Jagat Dita or Jagat plus Hita. Yes. Next one.
Sharanji, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Going back to 32.
32. Okay.
Suppose we apply only Latva because Latva is 28. Then Tavarga will be replaced by Lakara only, isn't it?
Yes.
So will not be Jagal Lakshanaha. Why that Anunasika is?
Actually, it's optional, Saranji. Anunasika will not be coming over here, right?
Purely Latva, isn't it?
No, it will come. It will come. Pada, the example you gave Padan plus Likati. Padan Likati.
Hold on. Okay, Ganesh, what is your question? Ask again.
I think here you applied
Latva Sandhi.
Latva Sandhi. But in Latva Sandhi, the Anunasika Na will be replaced only by Lakara, isn't it?
Nakara is Anunasika.
Yes.
And Nakara is Anunasika, and therefore you have to replace it by the Anunasika component of Lakara. Therefore, nasalized Lakara comes.
Not just straight Lakara.
That will come only for the first 4 letters of the Tavarga. Tha, tha, dha, dha. If it is a fifth letter being Anunasika, it must be replaced by the Anunasika component.
Right. Not just Lakara, but Anunasika component of Lakara.
Yes, Lakara has got its Anunasika component. La, that comes. Right.
Understood. Thank you.
Yeah. Ramkavashi, what is that you are saying?
Because it will come, we have that, you already did that, we gave an example, Padan plus Likati, that's what I'm saying. It's the Anunasika.
Okay. Yeah, for the first 4 letters, Lakara will come. For the first 4 letters of Tavarga, Lakara will be the Adesha. For the 5th letter, being Anunasika, therefore it will be replaced by Anunasika. You have to see the Uchchana Sthan, which is the best choice. Right? Lakara is replaces. Lakara is replaces Makara. So there Anunasika component replaces. That's the okay. Fine. The next one, number 30, 35. Next person. I think Lataji. Lataji, you can do.
Sorry, Sharanji. Sambandha. Sam plus bham plus daha. First we apply the, it's Anuswara followed by Bakara, which is a letter. So the Savarna of Bakara is Ma, Sam, Ba, and then Bam is followed by Dakara, and the Anunasika of Dakara is Nakara, Sambandaha.
You have to apply the rule at 2 places.
Yes.
Some Anuswara is there, and Bam also Anuswara is there. So some replaced by the Anuswara of some replaced by Makara, Anuswara of Bam replaced by Nakara.
Both of them for a Savarna Sandesh.
Yeah, following A letter. Next one.
Sharanji, is some Padam?
Some is a Padam. It's Upasarga. It's a Padam.
Then we can retain that Anuswara and the first Sandhi, Sharanji.
Yes, why not? That's why in dictionary you will find sometimes in dictionary you will find like this. Some Bandaha you will find. Yes. Because some happens to be a Padam. Therefore, it's an Upasarga. Upasargas are Padam. Upasarga means prefix. So Sambandaha or Sambandha. Both are okay. Good question. Next person, Ramkaveji. 36.
Sharanji.
Yeah.
Sharanji.
Please ask.
Sharanji. Hello, Padanta gel, then you have to replace it with Padanta gel.
Where is Padanta gel here?
So you're telling some is a Padam.
Yeah. But Makara is not a gel letter. Makara is a gel letter.
Sorry.
What are gel letters?
So Anuswara is there. The last letter is the Anuswara, right?
Last letter is Anuswara. It is not even Makara. Even before becoming Anuswara, it was Makara, if we argue. Yes, that's true. Makara was there. Makara only has become Anuswara. Padanta Makara, when followed by the consonant, will become Anuswara. We have seen that rule also. Remember? Anuswara Sandhi. Padanta Makara, when followed by the another Padam, which begins with a consonant, then Padanta Makara is replaced by Anuswara. So, if you take that, some happens to be a Padam, so Makara is there, but Makara, it is not a gel letter. That's Sandhi. Not applicable.
But I think 8459 this one, and that is 8458. So then we
it's
cannot
okay.
do this. Okay.
You cannot do
This Padanta Anuswara Sandhi.
Padanta
8451 59 first பண்ண முடியாதுல Sharanji.
84. Okay, number order. Tell me the rule.
Yeah,
That's
Padanta
8:3:23
Anuswara is,
actually.
Okay, let Ramaji speak first. Yeah, please tell me.
yeah, Padanta Anuswara means we can keep that Anuswara, that is 8459.
Adanta Anuswara, not clear. Again,
Some is Padam, right?
some is Padam. Okay.
There.
Some is Padam, then Bam
The
plus
optional
Akara
rule
there.
is there. If it is a Padam, then we can retain this Anuswara. That optional
this-
rule for Parasamarna.
See, some is there here. Okay, can you see the screen or what I'm typing? Some.
Yeah.
Makara is there. So it is not Anuswara. It is Makara.
Okay.
Some is a Padam. Padanta Makara followed by the consonant. Therefore, Makara is replaced by Anuswara.
Okay. Okay.
That is what is given in the example for your exercise. Then some plus Bam plus. From here only you are doing the Sandhi.
Okay.
From here only you are doing Sandhi. What happens now? Anuswara is there. Followed by the A letter. And this sum is a Padanta. Padam is a Padam. So you can retain it as it is and get this form. Some or apply this replaced by the para savarna letter. You can get this form. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Now, Ram Kavi. 36.
Garjan Lankeshwaraha. Here we can use the Anishwara Sandhi Garjan Lankeshwaraha.
Yes.
Because is between the Padam, Sandhi rule is optional. So either we can use the Latva Sandhi Garjan Lankeshwaraha.
Yes.
Garjan
Sandhi is always optional between two Padams. So that is understood. So if you are doing Sandhi, then you get this. Okay. Sandhi between two Padams is always optional. So that is common between two Padams. Within a Padam, it's a must. Now, and that too, when you do Sandhi between two Padams, there also optionality is there. There are also optional forms are there. Optional forms, not optionality, optional forms. Tier 2 forms. Like Jagadhita. This previous example. Jagadhita is one form. Jagad, here also Sandhi has happened. Jagat. Hita. There was Sandhi, in both cases, Sandhi has happened. Okay. Next one. Next person, Sundarji.
Tad plus he. First, Jashva Sandhi will make it the same, Tad plus he. Then, when Hakara is preceded by Jai letter, then Hakara will be replaced optionally by the fourth letter of the class. Tadhi. Or it can be retained as Tadhi plus Tadhi itself.
Tadhi. Yes. Next person, Shantaji.
Okay. Itham plus Kritva. And you apply this Anuswara will be replaced by Savarna of the following Yai. So Savarna of the following Kavarga letter is Itham Kritva. And then we can apply this 37, which is optional. So Itham Kritva.
Can remain as it is. Itham Kritva. Anuswara, if it is Padanta Anuswara, then you can this Sandhi. Padanta. This Sandhi is optional. If it is Padanta Anuswara, then it will remain Itham Kritva. Okay. Then next one.
Janan plus Labdva. So here Nakara is Tavarga, so followed by La, so Latva Sandhi applies. So Nakara is replaced by Lakara, so it becomes Jalal Labdva. Janal Labdva.
Janal Labdva. Okay. And the next one, Ramaji.
Yeah, some plus kya. So first Anuswara followed by a letter. So the corresponding Anunasika letter is na. So sang kya.
So some will be replaced by, then Anuswara will be replaced by.
Anuswara will be replaced by the Parasavarna. Sang. Sankhya.
Sankhya. Okay.
Or some again is it's a padam, so
yes.
Sankhya.
It's a padam, therefore Sankhya. That is why you find both forms.
Yeah.
Sankhya or Sankhya.
Yeah.
Okay. Another some 20 examples are there. We'll see. You try this. We can do some example from Gita. Before that, introduce two more rules today. Two more rules. Okay. That is, you know Visarga Sandhi, right? So in Visarga Sandhi, one more rule is going to introduce. What happens to the Visarga when followed by the Kar letter? What is the rule? Visarga Sandhi. Visarga is born.
Visarga is
replaced by Sakara.
That is general rule. You can take this chart and go to the Visarga Sandhi. Visarga followed by Kar letter. You can see the number 9. Visarga is born in the rule number 8. And rule number 9, Visarga followed by Kar letter. What happens? Visarga followed by Kar will be replaced by Sakara. That's the rule. And within that, we have got some exceptions. If the Kar letter is Ka, Kha or Pa, Pa, what happens?
It's the kaka, it will come the Mulyam. Kaka, it will come the Ububatmaniyana.
So the Visarga will be retained as
retained. Visarga is retained.
So Visarga is retained followed by Ka or Kha or Pa, Pa, Ardha Visarga, either Ardha Visarga or Visarga. So accepting that for other letters, it is replaced by Sakara. And Visarga followed by Shar, then we say, that is rule number 10. Rule number 10, we say, Visarga will be replaced by Sakara optionally. Therefore, you have two forms. Ramaha plus Shete is equal to Ramaha Shete, or Ramaha plus Shete becomes Ramas Shete. Sakara, and after that, after that, the Shtutva only happens. It doesn't stop there. Okay, for examples, I can given like this: Ramas Chete, but that is not the final one. Okay, so Sakara must be replaced by Shakara by Shtutva Sandhi. You understand this? We have seen this before. Now, we are going to deal with Visarga followed by. So far, we have dealt with followed by Kar letter, Shar letter, and all. Now, some specific. We're going to think of something specific. Listen carefully. So, I'll give it with an example. I'm typing here. Let's see. Vishayaha plus Sheena Kalmashaha. Sheena kalmashaha. Rishayaka kshina kalmashaha comes in Gita. Gita in the 5th chapter. Brahm comes this. Tell me, what sandhi will apply? Rishayaka
Here,
plus.
Sharanji, usually we are reading Rishayaha because after following the Kshi, usually we are reading the Visarga like this, as it
Why?
is, right?
What role is that? That is what we are going to see. That is what we are going to see. Rishayaka plus Kshina Kalmashaha. Visarga is followed by Kshi. What is Kshi? What is Ksha is? Ksha is Kakara plus Murdanya Shakara. Right?
Yeah, Murdanya Shakara.
Kakara plus Murdanya Shakara is Ksh. Right? So, now, here Visarga is followed by, in this example, Visarga is followed by which letter?
Kakara.
Kakara. Kakara is a Kar letter. Right? Kakara, any doubt in that?
No.
No.
Visarga is followed by Kakara, and Kakara is a Kar letter, and Kakara is followed by
Shakara.
what letter is that?
Murdanya Shakara.
What letter is that? What letter?
Shar letter.
Shar letter.
Shar letter.
Shar also is a Kar only, but we have to say Shar. Okay. So, Visarga, listen, in this example, Visarga is followed by Kar letter, and the Kar letter is followed by Shar letter. If this is the case, then what happens? This is a replacement of Visarga by the Ardha Visarga. Ardha Visarga should come, right? Because Kakara follows. That is what we learned. Jikhva Mulya, right?
Yes, yes, sure. Yes, sure.
Visarga followed by Ka or Kha. Visarga will be replaced by Ardha Visarga, and the sound will be the sound, right?
Yeah.
We have learned that.
Yes.
But that must come here. That Ardha Visarga must replace Visarga, but that will not replace. Because even though it is a Kakara, even though it is a Kar letter, Kakara, because it is followed by the Shar letter, then Visarga will remain as it is. Visarga will be replaced by Visarga. Visarga will be replaced by Visarga. Should not be replaced by Sakara in general and specifically Ardha Visarga. That's a rule. So the Sandhi will be Vishayaha, then Kshina Kalmashaha. I will type the rule in the table later. First you understand the rule clearly. So Sandhi will be Vishayaha Kshina Kalmashaha. Another example I'll give. Shashaha. Shashaha plus Shuram. Visarga is followed by the Kar letter Kakara. Applying the general rule, Visarga must be replaced with Ardha Visarga, but it cannot apply because the Kar letter is followed by Shar letter. Murdanya. Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Visarga, not by Ardha Visarga. Exception to that Jikhva Moliya. Okay. Then another example. Type the rule. This also comes another example. Another example I am typing. You can see Sukinaha. Sukinaha plus Kshatriyaha. Mainly you will find with Ksha coming. These examples. Mainly you will find that. Sukinaha plus Kshatriyaha. Visarga is followed by Ksha. Ksha is Kakara plus Shakara. So Visarga is followed by Kakara, which is a Kar letter, and the Kar letter is followed by Shar letter. Therefore, Sukinaha Kshatriyaha remain as it is. So the rule is now when I'm typing the rule here now. When Visarga, when the Visarga is followed by Kar letter, which in turn is followed by Shar letter, which in turn followed by Shar letter, then Visarga is replaced by Visarga. Visarga is replaced by Visarga. Why Visarga remain as it is? I don't say, because Adesha is Visarga. Sthani is also Visarga. In the case of Visarga, Visarga is the Adesha. That is what the rule says. Same thing I'm typing it here. Visargasya sthane, Visarjaniyasya sthane, Visarjaniyaha Adeshaha. So you can write this rule. Visarga when followed by Kar letter, which in turn followed by Shar letter, then Visarga will be replaced by Visarga. This is the rule. That is why when you read Supinaha Kshatriyaha, you have to read.
So Sharandi, which means this rule is only applied for the Shakara letters only, right?
That is the example I am showing. Wherever it is applicable, this rule, you can see, you can apply.
Okay.
Not only for Akshara, even for when it is followed by Pakara. So this rule negates the replacement of Visarga by Jitva Muliya or Upadmaniya. Exception to that rule. Remember, this rule is an exception to the replacement of Visarga with Jitva Muliya or Upadmaniya. Jitva Muliya comes when it is followed by Kakara. Upadmaniya comes when it is followed by Pakara. That is negated when they are followed by Shar letter. Okay. So this rule number, I'm just writing the rule also. I'm going to insert this in the table. I'm writing the rule. Sharpare Visarjaniyaha. You may not understand the rule, not required, but just writing number. This is 8335. So accordingly, I will insert in the table. Sharpare Visarjaniyaha. Even the rule also you can understand. Sharpare means Shar follows. Shar follows Kar. Sharpare Kar Visarjaniyasya sthane Visarjaniyaha Adeshaha Bhavati. If you can understand this in Sanskritam, it is fine. Otherwise, also no problem. In English, I have typed Visarga. When Visarga is followed by Kar, which in turn followed by Shar, then the Visarga is replaced by Visarga. Okay. So that's you have to read Sukinaha Kshatriyaha. In Vishnu Sahasranam also many places it comes. 2 or 3 places you will see. Udbhavaha Kshobhano Deva Shri Garbha Parameshwaraha. Udbhavaha Kshobhano Devaha. Udbhavaha Kshobhano you have to read. Okay. So can we insert this rule in the table? Going back to the table now.
But I think it's between 9 and 10, Sharanji. In Visarga.
Table.
8335. So
8335 will come between 9 and 10, I think 9A or something.
Visarga followed a Pakara. Pakara is that. So between after 11, I will type this.
Yeah.
After 11. Okay. Before the rule here. You can see 37 is that is why I am saying. Okay. If you go, you can write it before also. Between
9 and 10.
9 and 10. Yes, 9 and 10. It's because the number will be in that order.
Yeah.
8, 3, 35.
Anyway, you can know understand what it is. So here, the number will change now. Okay. So that is why the table is subject to revision. We will keep on adding more rules. So I'm inserting this. When Visarga is followed by a kar, Visarga is replaced by Visarga. Okay. So the rule is Sharpare Visarjiniyaha Itri 35. You understand the example? If you want example also, you can write it here.
And if we get kakara plus sakara or shakara, also the same rule, right?
Wherever
Because
it is applicable, same rule, yes.
Because we are doing only with shakara, that's why.
If it is any example is there, will apply.
Sure.
I don't find any example, that is why I'm not giving it. If it is there, then we can apply.
Okay.
Kakara followed by sakara. Okay. Generally, you will find this is the main example in many places. Okay, send. This is one rule. So I'll change the number later. Understand this rule is an exception to the rule coming after. The rules here, rule number 11, 11A and 11B. So 11A, 11B, right? 11B and 11C, not 11A, 11B and 11C. Visarga taking the sound of Upadmaniya, followed by Pakara or Pakara. Visarga taking the sound of, or replaced by Jikva Muliya, Ardha Visarga. That sound is Jikva Muliya. Ardha Visarga sound is Jikva Muliya when followed by Kakara, Kakara. So 11B and 11C. 11 to 11B and 11C, this rule is an exception. You can note. That is 8337, whereas this rule is 8335. So this rule is an exception. Purva Apavada. We say that Purva Apavada. Apavada comes later. If it comes later, it is Para Apavada. If Apavada comes before, it is Purva Apavada. Before itself, you tell the exception. Understand this rule? Is it clear, all of you?
What is the difference between both the rules? Because the result is the same, isn't it? I don't understand why. What will be the difference
not clear.
between?
Again.
No, what will be the difference between those two rules? Because both the result will be the same, isn't it?
Result will not be same. Why it's same? Only partially the result is same. Visarga followed by Kakara, Ardha Visarga is there. Is it same?
But we pronounce the same pronunciation.
No, we don't. Optional. Visarga is replaced by Visarga, Visarga is replaced by Ardha Visarga. Replacement of Visarga by Ardha Visarga when followed by Ka or Kha. That is negated. Therefore, it is exception.
Okay.
Sharanji,
Right?
Sharanji, why it is introduced now? Why not we have not introduced earlier?
Sorry?
Why this exception introduced now?
If I introduce everything before, then it's difficult for you to understand. That is why introducing one by one. First, you have to be familiar with Visarga. What are the changes happen to Visarga? In the beginning itself, if Apavada, everything is told, then how will you learn? Difficult. Right?
Okay.
Not only this, many rules have not been taught. It will come later. So first you have to be familiar with this prakriya. Once you are familiar with this prakriya, then we can talk about the exception. Talk about exception or new rules. That is why I said this table is subject to modification. I'll keep adding rules whenever it comes. Right? So now since you are familiar with Visarga, if I say this, you understand. No problem in this. Visarga followed by, that is, Repa followed by Kar will be replaced by Visarga. Repa followed by Kar. Listen, Visarga. This is Visarga Jananam. Repa followed by Kar will be replaced by Visarga. And that Visarga undergo changes depending on what Kar letter is. If it is Ka or Kha, then replacement of Visarga by Ardha Visarga, which is called Jikhvamuliya. If the Kar letter is Pa or Pa, then replacement of Visarga by Upadmanya, which is the Ardha Visarga. And if other letters, Kar letters are there, then replacement by Sakara. This we have studied. Now, within this, if the Kar letter, Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, if this follows, and these letters are followed by Shar letter, then the Visarga is replaced by Visarga only. That is the exception. Clear? Yes?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, Sharanji.
Okay. Then if Visarga is followed by other letters, then replaced by Sakara, and Sakara undergoes further changes. Shtutva, Shtutva, etc. This is how the steps are followed here. If you are familiar with this rule, then one more rule I will introduce. We will see another rule. So this is done. If you have any doubt, you can ask this. This is done. Then the next rule. Let me ask you before that. Okay, let me type. Vrikshaha plus Shete. What happens?
Vrikshas Shete.
Vriksha, yeah.
You can tell step by step, tell the rules and tell the answer.
Here we can use the Kshatva Sandhi.
Visarga is
Shutva Sandhi.
Kshatva Sandhi, the Visarga
Just
will
let us just replace Visarga by the letter.
Sakara. Visarga is replaced by Sakara.
Visarga followed
by Kar letter.
By Kar letter. Good. What happens?
So
Visarga will be replaced by Sakara.
Visarga can be replaced by Sakara.
Sakara.
Okay.
Or remains as it is.
Or remain Visarga.
Okay, remain as it is, then Vrikshaha and then Shete. That is one. Suppose if you replace it, then I'm writing the second one.
Vrikshas Shete.
Vrikshas Shete.
Vrikshas Shete.
So here it is Visarga is replaced by Sakara.
Sakara.
By what rule?
Visarga followed
by Kar letter.
Visarga followed by Kar.
Followed by Kar, it will be replaced by Sakara.
After that, now Sakara has come. In the place of Sakara.
Yeah. Then you will have Shutva Sandhi. Shutva Sandhi can happen.
Vrikshas Shete.
Vrikshas Shete.
Right? No. Here Visarga is followed by what letter?
Kar letter.
Shar letter, right?
Shar letter.
Visarga is followed by Shar letter.
Then you get optionally the Visarga can be
That is why you get optional form here, Vrikshaha Shete. Okay. Vrikshaha Shete is one form and Vrikshas Shete is another form. When a Shar letter follows, replacement of Visarga by Sakara is optional. Right? This we know. Now, Visarga followed by Shar. Okay, then I'll give another example. Vrikshaha plus Stavaraha. Now you do this Sandhi. Vrikshaha plus Stavaraha.
You get
Vrikshastavara.
So replacement of Visarga by this also Shar letter follows. Therefore,
Shad
replacement,
letter, yeah. You have two
replacement
forms,
must be
yeah.
Sthavaraha.
You can retain it. Retain
as
it,
it is.
yeah.
Okay. Then other form will be
Vrikshastavara.
Vrikshastavara.
Visarga is replaced by Sakara.
it is by Sakara. Right. You get this form. Now, look into the example. Visarga is followed by which letter?
Shad letter.
Shar letter.
Shar letter. Sakara. And Sakara is followed by Sakara, which is Shar letter, followed by
Takara.
Takara. What letter is that?
Kar letter.
Kar letter. Visarga is followed by Shar, and the Shar is followed by Kar. Then in that case, Stavaraha or Vrikshaha Stavara Visarga is dropped optionally.
Okay.
This is a new rule. So you will have three forms now. You will have three forms. Visarga followed by Shar. We said Visarga can remain as it is or replace it by Sakara. That already we know. Now, extra rule what we say is, if the Visarga is followed by Shar, and the Shar is followed by Kar, then the Visarga can be dropped optionally. Therefore, Vriksha Stavaraha. Understand? This is a new form. So, therefore, the rule is typing the rule now. When Visarga is followed by Shar, which in turn followed by Kar, then Visarga is dropped optionally. Visarga is dropped optionally. This is the rule. This is the rule is by an Vartika. Vartika is the rule. Is a sutra, not a sutra, it's a sutra added to this Panini Sutra, not by Panini Maharishi, not written by Panini Maharishi, but Vartikas are the rules added to the Panini Sutras by some other Rishi. We chant Vakyakaram Vararuchi. Vararuchi, or otherwise called Katyayani Maharishi. He had added which Panini Maharishi had not told, which he had not told or which he had missed. That will be provided by the Vartikakara. So he says, when Visarga is followed by Shar, which in turn followed by Kar letter, then Visarga can be dropped optionally. So therefore, Vriksha Stavaraha, that form also possible. So this is in Vartika. Vartika returned to the rule that is dropping a Visarga optionally to when followed by Shar. It is written there. That is in the table, to the rule 8336. 8336 says number 10 in the table. You can see number 10. Visarga followed by Shar will be optionally replaced by Sakara. To this rule, this Vartika is added. Therefore, after 10, this rule will come. I'm adding this, the rule, Vartika rule, here, after 10. Visarga followed by Shar, Visarga will be dropped optionally. Visarga followed by Shar and Shar followed by Kar. Therefore, it comes between 10 and 11. Can you all follow me? Are you all there?
Yes, Sharanji. Yes,
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just copying in here and pasting it. Visarga followed by Shar. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Visarga followed by Shar, followed by Kar. Today we have seen two things. Visarga followed by Kar and followed by Shar. Visarga now, we are saying Visarga followed by Shar, which is followed by Kar. So don't confuse with two things. Two things are different. It depends on what follows. Generally, we see only one letter follows. Here today we are saying that which follows, that which is followed by something. So two things are there. So therefore, this is the and the Vartika. I'm writing the Vartika also. I will write it as Va. Va means Vartika. You can understand. Kar pare Shari Va Visargaha Lopaha. So the number, there is no number for Vartika. So I will write the same number, 8336, and within bracket I will write Va means Vartika. This is not the Panini Sutra. This is Vartika to the Panini Sutra 8336. Okay. This is clear. So this is number. Now it will take, this will be numbered 11. The numbers will change now. So this new table I will send you. From the next class, we will refer this table. The old tables you can discard. So whenever we introduce new table, it will undergo revision and the old table will be discarded. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, Sharanji.
Okay. So Visarga Lopaha happens. So Visarga Lopaha happens optionally. So therefore Visarga will remain or Visarga will be dropped. Right?
Yeah. But when we are reading, we just read Vrikshasthavaraha only, right? We don't need to pronounce the Visarga over
This
there.
is only in Vartika. So Vartikara says the possibility. That's it. Vrikshasthavaraha you can read. Nothing wrong. Vrikshasthavaraha, Vrikshasthavaraha, Vrikshasthavaraha also. Okay, this Visarga Lopaha generally you will not find in the text. The text, when a Shar letter follows, Visarga will be there. Irrespective of what follows Shar, you will see Visarga behind the text. Generally in the text I'm saying. Okay, Gita, Bhashyam. Generally you will find Visarga will be there, then followed by Shar, irrespective of whether it is followed by Kar or not. So you don't find this application of this. Application means application you don't, I mean the text you don't find, but it is there. The rule is there. We're learning just the rule. Okay. So Karpare Shari. You can understand this. Karpare Shari. It means Shar follows, which is followed by Kar. But understand this. Karpare Shari or Sharpare Kar. The previous rule what we saw. It is Sharpare Kar. Kar followed by Shar letter. Here it is Karpare Shari. You have to think. Okay. Then only you will understand what it is. What is Karpare Shari? Shar follows, and shar is followed by kar. Then visargaha lopaha bhavati va, optionally. Right? Okay. I'll modify this table and send you. Now, let us quickly do this abhyasa. And other examples, you please try. The visarga sandhi. So this today we saw two rules. For that, the examples already given. So if at all, if I give the exercise, that only ksha will follow. That is rishayaga kshinakal mashaka. Like that only will follow. So there is no other examples for that. And for this vartika, just for your knowledge, I'm giving this vartika. That's all. Okay. So there are no any exercise for that. Whatever we have studied in the last class, up to that, those rules are important. Starting from jastva and the shtutva, shtutva, anunasika, those rules are important. Now let us do the number 14. Starting from Ganesh, you can split the sandhi from Gita.
13 we have to do. 17.
13, okay. Yeah. Number 13. Ganesh, you can do.
Number 13.
Yeah.
Yajnashishtaasinas santaha muchyante sarva kilbishaihi.
Yes.
Bhunjate te tvagam papaha ye pachantyatma karanat.
Yes.
So, Yajnashishtasinaha. So, I think that is one word. We can't split that, I think.
Yes.
Yajnashishtasinaha santaha. So, here there is visarga. So,
why visarga? Because followed by
santaha.
Shar letter.
Shar letter.
Therefore, visarga remains. Otherwise, visarga can be replaced by sakara.
Sakara.
So you can read Yajnashishtashinas santo.
Right.
Okay.
Then santaha plus muchyante.
Good.
So here it becomes santo muchyante, replaced by u and guna happens. Therefore, it becomes santo muchyante.
Yes.
Then sarva kilbishaihi. I think that's one word. Sarva kilbishaihi.
There is no sandhi.
There is no sandhi there.
Second line.
Then bhunjate te tvagam papaha. So 2 plus agam becomes tvagam.
Good. Yeah.
So that's Jan sandhi.
Yes.
Then papaha, tvagam papaha becomes tvagam. So makara becomes
Anuswara. Good.
Anuswara sandhi here.
Yes.
Then papaha plus ye. You can say papa ye or papa ye.
So visarga is not visarga. Or visarga was there and replaced by
there. Yakara or it becomes lopa, so it's papa ye.
Good. Okay.
Then pachantyatma karanat. So pachanti atma karanat.
Yes.
So yan sandhi pachantyatma karanat.
Yes, good. Next one, Ramaji, number 14.
Yeah. Annat bhavanti bhutani parjanyat anna sambhavaha. First line. Annat plus bhavanti. Here, there, jastva sandhi.
Yes.
Then
Annat, takara is there, like Ramat.
Yeah. Then
Jastva sandhi happens.
Then bhutani. Bhutani, then Parjanyat plus Anna Sambhavaha, again Jastva sandhi happens. Yes. Then second line, Yanyat Bhavati Parjanyo Yanya Karma Samudbhavaha. There, first Yanyat Bhavati, so happens Yanyat Bhavati. Then Parjanyaha plus Yajnaha. There Visarga is preceded by Akara and followed by Akara. Sorry. ash letter. So it has become Pajanyo Yajnaha. Then Karma Samudbhavaha, a single word.
Visarga doesn't
Samudbhavaha.
undergo any change. Visarga, Yajnaha, Karma Samudbhavaha.
Yajnaha.
Visarga is replaced by Ardha Visarga, which is Jikhva Muliya.
No,
Therefore,
it's Jikhva Mulyam. Yajnah Karma.
Samudbhava. Okay. Then the 15, next person, Sumati ji.
Yeah. Karma Brahmodbhavam Vidhi Brahmakshara Samudbhavam. That the first line, Karma Brahmodbhavam.
Why karma are not there?
Yeah, karma. Okay.
Karma. Okay. No, that's
karma,
not karma.
Because there is there a visarga.
Karma is there. I will ask you what is a pratipadikam. If it is karma, then pratipadikam is
karma.
Karma is not akaranta shabda. You cannot decline like Rama shabda. Karma is napumsakalinga.
Napumsaka. Okay.
So karman shabda. So karma only. Okay, it's not karma.
Okay.
Just
okay.
Just
yeah. So there is no visarga. So
karma is prathama vibhakti ekavachana. Karma is karma only. There is no karma. Okay.
Okay.
Karman shabda, nakaranta shabda. Nakaranta we have seen. Rajan,
yes.
Atman, Brahman, some shabda we saw. Karma is, karman is napumsakalinga. Nakarantaha napumsakalinga karma shabdaha. Karma karmani karmani. So karma is karma only. There is no karma. Okay.
Yeah.
Important word karma. So it is only karma.
Then Brahmodbhavam Vidhi, I think it is Anuswara Santi because Makara.
Brahma plus Udbhavam. Anuswara come later. Brahma plus
Udbhavam. Udbhavam. It's Guna Santi.
And Ut plus Bhavam also.
Yeah, Ut plus Bhavam can be Jashva Santi.
So 3 letters are Brahma plus Ut plus Bhavam. Brahma plus Ut, Brahmod. Brahmod plus Bhavam, Brahmod Bhavam, Jashva. Right?
Yes.
Then
next again, Vidhi, I don't think. Then Brahmakshara Samudbhavam.
Then Anuswara you said. Brahmod Bhavam, Padanta Makara.
Padanta Makara. First I thought I'll start with that and go for the...
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then Brahmaksharam Samudbhavam. In that you can split it as Brahma plus Akshara Samudbhavam.
Brahmod Bhavam, Makara replaced by Anuswara. Brahmod Bhavam, Vidhi. And Vidhi is... Okay. Vidhi...
Vidhi, can we split that again? No, I don't.
It cannot. It's a dhatu. Okay. Vidhi is from the vid dhatu. Vid plus he. Just for your knowledge, I'm saying.
Okay.
Vid plus he. This Hakara is replaced by Dhakara. Vidhi.
Okay. You get Purva Savarna Sandhi.
Yeah, it's a Kriya Padam Vidhi. That's why Kriya Padam. It's a Kriya Padam. It's a single word. Okay. So you cannot split. But the component inside is with plus he.
Okay.
And that Hakara is replaced by Dhakara. Vidhi.
Oh, I missed that. I thought it's one word.
It's okay. Yeah, you don't know that. That's it. It's a one word only. It's one word only. It's a Kriya Padam. One word. Okay. Continue.
Then Brahmakshara Samudbhavam. That you can split it as Brahma plus Akshara Samudbhavam.
Yes.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Okay.
Then Tasmat Sarvagatam Brahma Nityam Yagno Pratishtitam. Yagne Pratishtitam. So there you will have Nityam. Okay. Tasmat Sarvagatam Brahma. There also you can apply Anuswara Sandhi.
Tasmat
and
plus
Tasmat you can split it as Tasmat plus Sarvagatam. That is your Tasmat plus Sarvagatam plus Brahma. That how do you that's the same thing.
Tasmat
That's
plus Sarvagatam Jashta Sandhi. Tasmat become Tasmat. Sorry, Tasmat become Tasmat and Tasmat become Tasmat. So Jashta Sandhi and Chatva Sandhi.
Chatva Sandhi.
Tasmat Sarvagatam. Sarvagatam plus Brahma.
Sarvagatam plus Brahma, Sanuswara.
And okay, Brahma is
Then-
Brahma only. Brahma is like
Yeah.
karma. Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam is Brahma. Okay.
Then Nityam, I think Nityam Yagne is again Anuswara only.
Anuswara Sandhi.
Yeah. Pratishtitam. I don't see
Pratishtitam is
anything.
Padantamakara remains as it is.
As it is.
Kameshwaraji. Next one, number 16.
एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रं नानुवर्तयति यतिह यः. First word एवं पदान्तमकार प्रवर्तितं that all प्रवर्तितं चक्रम.
Padantamakara, what happens?
So makara will become anuswara. Evam, that word. Then pravartitam also, chakram also, padanta makara will become anuswara.
Padantamakara becomes Anuswara when followed by hal, consonant.
Oh, okay.
Right? When followed by consonant, it becomes
Consonant.
Anuswara.
Okay. Then, yeah, correct. Nanu vartayati. First, nanu, na plus anu. So, savarna dirgha sandhi. Vartayati plus iha.
Yeah.
Okay. Vartayati plus iha. There also savarna dirgha sandhi. Next line. Agayu in aga, first agayu that we can split as aga plus ayuhu.
Good. Okay.
Savarna dirgha sandhi. Then indriya will come. So indriya plus aramaha.
Indriyahana. Indriya plus aramaha. Indriya aramaha. Savarna dirgha.
Yeah, savarna dirgha. Mogam.
Aramaha plus mogham.
There it is followed by hash, visarga followed by hash letter. So yakara lopaha.
Where yakara lopaha?
No, aramaha. Oh, it is a plus ha. So who will come?
Visarga preceded by a and followed by hash.
Followed by hash. So who will come? So it will become wo. Yeah, correct. Gunasandhi. So it will become wo. Then mogam is again padanta makara followed by hach letter. Therefore it hal letter. Therefore it becomes anuswara. Then saha, that visarga is dropped. Right?
Partha is partha only.
Partha is partha.
Sambodhana. Saha visarga is
dropped.
Next person, Vishnuji, next shloka.
Yes, Twatma Ratireva. So that can be split as Yaha and Tu. Then Atma Ratihi Yeva. So Yaha and Tu. Visarga is followed by kar letters. So Sakara comes in.
Yes.
And then 2 plus Atma Ratireva ends on the. Then Atma Ratihi followed Eva. Visarga Purvam is.
Repa was there. Before Visarga.
Yeah, Repa.
Okay, Repa was there, therefore just Melanam.
Yeah, correct. And then next word Syad Atma Triptascha. So it is Syat. So Takara becomes Dakara Jashva Sandhi. Then Atma Triptaha. So Syad Atma Triptaha, so that's just a Melanam. Then Visarga followed by Chakara. So there Visarga Adesha is Sakara, then followed by Shakara. So Triptascha. Manavaha. and Atman Eva. So that's Atmani plus Eva. Atmani plus Eva is Yan Sandhi. Atman Eva chas Santushtaha. So Santushtaha, Visarga followed by Takara, so which is Kar letter. So again, the Adesha is a Sakara. So Santushta Tasya. And then Karyam Na Vidyate. So there are more Anuswara. So Makara in Karyam Adesha is Anuswara.
Yes. Next person. After Krishnaji, then Lataji.
Naiva tasya krutenarte na kruteneha krutenarto na kruteneha kaschan. With that, na plus eva, naiva, vruddhi sandhi. Krutena plus arte, krutenarte.
Krutena plus artaha. Actually, it is artho is artaha.
Krutena plus artaha, and then followed by nakara. Krutena plus artaha becomes krutena artaha, and krutena artaha followed by visarga followed by nakara. Krutena arto. That's where the vruddhi sandhi happens.
What sandhi?
Krutena arto is krutena artaha plus
artaha plus na. The following is na. Na is hush.
Hush letter. So ukara comes.
Visarga is replaced by?
Visarga is replaced by ukara.
Yes. Then guna
ukara,
happens.
Guna happens. I meant guna. Okay. Guna happens. And then that's how we get the krutenarto. Where are we? Krutenartena. I lost my place. Na kruteneha kaschanaha. Na plus akrutena.
Na plus akrutena.
Akrutena. Na plus akrutena, that is savarna dirgha, na krutena. Na krutena plus iha.
Good.
That's also guna sandhi happens. Na kruteneha.
Kaschana.
Kaschanaha. Kaha, that's where I had a little doubt.
Kaschana only, not kaschanaha.
Kaschana only. Not kaha plus na. Kaschana only.
Kaschana and kaha plus chana becomes kaschana.
Kaha plus chana. That's what
I
I was
not kaschanaha. There is no visarga after na. Kaschanaha, no.
Right.
Kaschana is only.
I wasn't sure if it was kaha
plus chana. That's right.
Chana. Okay.
Kaha plus chana, what sandhi?
That is chutva sandhi. Kaha plus chana.
No, directly you should not go to chutva.
Visarga is replaced by sakara.
Good.
And sakara in turn is chutvam happens and kaschina. That's how kaschina. That's how it comes.
Second line.
Second line. Na chasya sarva bhuteshu kaschidartavya prashrayaha. Now there I have na cha plus asya. Na chasya. Savarna dirgha. Sarva bhuteshu. Sarva bhutaha.
No, sarva bhuteshu is one word.
One word only. Sarva bhuteshu. Sarva bhuteshu. Kaschid artavya pashrayaha.
Kaschit plus artavya pashrayaha, one word.
Kaschid plus artavya pashrayaha, one word only.
Kaschit becomes kaschit, just for something.
That just one happens. Kaschid artavya pashrayaha. Just for sandhi happens there.
Yes.
And then it's a melanam only. Kaschid artavya pashrayaha.
Next person, Ramakaveji. Next one.
Saranji, one doubt.
Yeah.
The previous sloka, the santushta tasya. Santushta tasya, there visarga is followed by takara, which is followed by sakara. So the rule which you taught today, that shapare visarjaniya.
You just examine again. You say again. Santushtaha, okay, visarga followed by what letter?
Tasya, which is takara followed by sakara.
Takara followed by
sakara.
Takara followed by sakara. Just see again. Takara followed by a. That's why ta is there. Vowel is there.
Yeah.
It is not takara followed by sakara. Takara plus akara plus sakara.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Vowel is that. That is why I always say from the very beginning, when I started teaching the first class onwards, beginner class, always I say, takara means only pure consonant. Ta is different, takara is different. This mistake happens. Even when we come to the advanced level, we fail to recognize the vowel in between. It's good.
Right.
You
Thanks.
recognize a vowel.
Sharanji, one question.
Yes.
Artavya Pashrayah, can we not split it to Artavi plus Apashrayah?
No. Artha Vyapashraya is one word. V plus Apashraya can split. V plus Apashraya, Vyapashraya. V plus Apa plus Ashraya, that you can do.
Artavya.
V plus Apa plus Ashraya. V and Apa are the Upasargas to the Shraya. Right? That we can do. Okay. Next person, Ramkavyaji.
तस्मादसक्तः सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचर असक्तो ह्याचरन् कर्म परमाप्नोति पूरुषः तस्माद् asakta. So here the jashtva santi will be happen. So tasmad asakta saktas satadam. So the visarga followed by a shar letter. So saktas satadam. Karyam karma. Sadadam is a makara followed by a consonant karyam. So satatam. And karyam karma, again karyam, the makara followed by karma as the consonant, so karyam, karma samachara. Asakto, asaktaha plus hya. So here the visarga followed by hush letter, so it will become u. Here the guna
followed by hush, preceded by both your
preceded by so it will become u. So here a plus u will become os, the gunasanti will be happen. Asakto, he plus acharan, hyacharan. Here the yan sandhi will be happen. Hyacharan karma. Param plus apnodi, melanam, paramapnodi, purushaha.
Yes.
Here I have one doubt, Sharanji. The melanam na inna Sharanji. The
makara plus ma, mi, mumu. All these
no. Adoda artham vandi melanamnu nama solrome to meet, to join. Adukana arthama melanam na.
Melanam is simple joining. It's not a euphonic combination.
Whether it is a avyayam or kriya padam, Sharanji.
Which one? Melanam?
Melanam gra vartha vandu avyayamma.
It is a namapadam. Mil dhatu. Mil plus.
Milati adilendu varnada.
Yes. Okay. Mil dhatu.
Okay.
It's converted to an abstract noun by adding a krut pratyaya. You get melanam. Like pat becomes patanam.
Patanam. Okay.
Kadanam.
So it's a namapadam.
It's a namapadam. Melanam. Melana, akarantaha, napumsakalingaha, melana shabdaha.
Okay.
Melanam, melane, melanani. Like pala shabda, you can decline. Gamanam, gamane, gamanani. Patanam, patane, patanani. Same way. You will see that krut pratyas.
Okay.
We have not yet seen that. Krut we have not yet.
Because whenever there is direct joining, we are saying melanam.
Melanam means joining. Simple combination. No, there is no euphonic combination. It is not that no significant change happens at the juncture.
Okay, right. Okay, Sharan. Thank you.
Sundarji, next one. Next sloka.
Karma naiva hi samsiddhihi samsiddhim astita janakadayaha. Karma naiva, karmana plus eva.
Good.
Where it's a vriddhi sandhi. Okay. Akara or a followed by h is replaced by, both the letters are replaced by vriddhi letter, which is I here, karmanaiva. And then I was not able to find in the first line after this karmanaiva he samsiddhim astita janakadayaha. Samsiddhim, yes. Samsiddhim.
Yeah. Some.
Which is some plus Siddhim.
Yes.
Where this
Makara.
Makara. Anuswara Sandhi. Makara followed by Hal will be replaced by Anuswaraha.
Yes.
Some
Siddhim plus Astitaha. That Makara remains. Why? Because followed by Ach. Therefore, Makara doesn't become Anuswara. That's why Melanam is possible. Melanam is joining. If Anuswara is there, how can you do Melanam? Right?
Correct.
Some Siddhim plus Astitaha. Makara plus A, Ma, Melanam.
Since Makara is not followed by Hal letter, you are saying that Anuswara is not happening. Is that so?
Anuswara doesn't happen. Makara remains as it is.
Okay. Yeah. And is it Astitaha?
Yes.
Okay. If it is so, then Astitaha, that means Visarga preceded by Akara, and that is A, and followed by Ash letter.
Yes.
Then Visarga is
replaced by
drop.
Yakara is dropped.
Replaced by Yakara, and then Yakara is dropped.
Yes.
Okay. That is some
second line.
Then Loka Sangraham eva api. Loka Sangraham eva api.
Loka plus some plus graha. Here also some plus
there
graha.
Also Lokaha. Is it Lokaha plus some?
No, not Lokaha. Lokaha plus some, then it won't be. Lokas Sangraha will be there. That is not there. Loka, some plus graha, that you can spot.
Okay.
Some plus graha. Makara is replaced by
graha. Makara followed by Hal letter. So it is replaced by Anuswara.
And Anuswara can be replaced by Sangraha,
Makara,
also possible.
Sangraha.
That is also possible.
Nasika of the following Yai letter.
Yai letter. That is also possible. You can write that way also.
Okay.
Sangraha or Sangraha also you can write.
But it is optional.
Yes, because Padantam, right?
Yeah.
Va Padantasya. Padanta is optional. For Padanta, okay, right? Anuswara is, it is optional. For Padanta Anuswara, this Sandhi is optional. Okay.
Okay. Sangraham eva api.
Eva plus api.
Yeah. Sangraham eva api.
Savana Dirgha. Okay.
Sampashyan Kartumartasi.
Yes.
Here also some plus.
Here also some. Yes.
Which is,
some becomes Anuswara. Makara becomes Anuswara. And Anuswara is replaced by again by Makara.
Followed by letter.
The voice is not clear. Others. Some plus Pashyan. Anuswara is replaced. Some plus Pashyan, that Makara is replaced by Anuswara, and Anuswara is replaced by Makara again because of the following A letter. So some Pashyan, right?
Hello. I got disconnected in between now, Sharan.
Yes. The some Pashyan I was explaining. Some Upasarga, Makara is there. Makara is replaced by Anuswara. So some plus Pashyan. And again, Anuswara can be replaced by Makara because of the following A letter Pakara. So some Pashyan you get. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, that is clear.
All. Then Kartum plus Argasi, that's simple Melanam.
Yeah.
The last person, Shantaji. Are you there? Shantaji? I think she'll not be there. Not there, I think. Okay, we can stop here. So I wanted to complete whoever has enter the names in the chat box, but I thought we'll read. All the persons can read and then stop. Okay.
I had only one doubt in the next verse, Sharanji.
Please ask me. What is the doubt?
When that Yadyata Charati Shreshtaha, Taddad, when that is split, it is written as tat plus tat, which
Yes.
means both will become tad plus tad.
Both
But when it,
tat plus tat. Tat plus tat. Okay, I will type that.
yeah,
I will
yeah.
type that and show you. See. Tat, can you see? Tat plus
Yeah.
tat.
Plus tat. Oh,
Plus
tat.
itaro. If you join this, let us join the first two. Tat plus tat. This is padanta jal. Replace it by dakara.
Dakara. It is
Tad.
Jastva Sandhi.
Tad. Right?
Plus tad.
Plus tat. And this dakara followed by letter.
Sorry, this particular point I didn't follow. I didn't hear you also now. Oh, this is Chatva Sandhi. Chatva Vidhi. Okay, second time.
Chatva Vidhi will be happening.
Chatva Vidhi. First one is Tata plus Tata is first is Jashtva.
Yeah.
And after that, Chartva, if you apply Tat plus Tat. That is what it's here.
Yeah.
Then Tata plus Itaraha. Right?
Yeah.
Here also, first apply Jashtva Vidhi. Tad plus Itaraha. That is what is there.
Yeah.
Right?
Ade daraha.
Yeah. Tad plus Itaraha. You can see that in the Gita.
Tat eva.
Oh, eva is
Eva.
Eva is there.
Eva taro.
Not itara.
Okay. Tatu plus eva, tadeva. Tadeva plus
Tadeva
itara.
itaraha.
Yes. That's okay. Right?
That is clear. Yeah.
I think we can stop here.
Thank you.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyavada Sharanji.
Dhanyawad Sharanji.
Dhanyavada.
Sharanji, for tomorrow's
Dhanyawad,
class,
Uh-huh.
so it starts at 7:30. You just got to link. You're given the Facebook link. It's live, isn't it, Sharanji?
Facebook and YouTube also.
YouTube. Okay. You just got to press that link and you get it.
Yeah, you can.
Saturday, right? Not tomorrow, right?
It's only on 16th.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow is
Yeah.
Saturday.
Tomorrow is Saturday. No, tomorrow.
Oh, I'm sorry. I am in a different zone.
Yeah, tomorrow is.
Okay, sorry. So no, we don't need to get into the Zoom and all that.
Not required. You can watch
Okay.
YouTube also. YouTube or Facebook.
Okay. Thank you, Sharanji.
Can you connect in
Dhanyawad.
case if we can, Sharanji, in case if we can do it now, can you be able to post it later?
Sorry?
Will you be able to post this, separately later?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you. I was wondering in case if I miss it. Thank you.
Yes.
Dhanyawad, Sharanji. Thank you.
Dhanyawad.